guys, and welcome back to another dance tutorial here at Learn How to Dance, where you can find simple, easy, and step-by-step dance tutorial. So as you can read from the title, I'm going to show you how to do the electro swing. The electro swing is probably one of the most requested dances so far. So thank you guys so much for requesting it. And thank you, Abdul, for being the first one to request it. Okay, so the dance is 2 times 8 counts. So we're gonna start like this. Our right is in front of our left, and our toes are pointing out here in the corners. And now I want to do the wiggle walk. If you don't know how to do the wiggle walk, please go check out my wiggle walk tutorial and then come back here. So basically the wiggle walk is just you take your left and you want to go and place it to the front here, yeah? In front of the right. So from here to here, yeah? My right is saying on my toes, kicking my heel out, going back, out, back, out, back. Now I want to do this at the same time, and I want you to imagine that you want to go up, down, yeah? So up, down, and now you want to kick out the heel, yeah? So let's say when you're up, at your maximum here, your heel is out, and on your way down you want to take your heel in. So up, down, 7, 8, up, down, 7, 8, up, down. Alright, so you just did up, down. From here, your left is going to say turn on your heel like that. Your right is gonna say bring it up. So at the same time, up. Notice that I'm always doing a small prep here, bending them slightly before I go up. From here, I want to take my right and place it down like this, with the toes pointing to the right, and my left is saying on my toes, taking my heel out. Yeah. So it was here. I'm gonna go like that. Whoop, like that. From here, like that. Notice I'm not completely flat foot, just gonna raise it slightly. So from here, whoop, 7, 8, and whoop, 7, 8, and whoop. So from here, I'm gonna go whoop, whoop. Notice I'm not completely straight here, I'm just gonna bend them slightly. So from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, whoop, whoop, 5, 6, 7, 8, whoop, whoop. Now from here, my right is going to turn back in here, on my heel, going back in. On flat foot, my left is saying lift up, just like we did before, but now with the left instead. Yeah, so we're gonna go tap, 5, 6, 7, 8, and tap, 5, 6, 7, 8, and tap. From here, we want to go down to the other side. Yeah, so my left is saying here, my right is saying on my toes, kicking my heel out. Yeah, like this. Whoop. Let's do it at the same time. So from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, and down. 5, 6, 7, 8, and down. Now we want to repeat it one last time to the other side, then to the right side. So we're going left, turning in, right, pulling up. Yeah? So again, like this. 5, 6, 7, 8, like this. Now, right is going down, left is turning out. 5, 6, 7, 8, and out. 5, 6, 7, 8, and out. So, quick recap. From here, we're gonna start on and 1, doing the wiggle walk. Right now, right is in front of the left. I'm gonna go and 1. From here, I'm gonna go and to the right, and to the left, and to the right. And they're all on and counts. I'm gonna go and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Slowly from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Now, the arms are pretty simple. Let's just start down from here. Arms are gonna go swing to one side. So left is bent, right is straight. Now we're just gonna go opposite, swing them to the other side. Swing them to the other side. Swing them to the other side. So 4 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, slowly from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, so we did 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, my right is gonna turn on my heel inwards like this, yeah? So from right to left. My left is saying, actually, what they do is actually a kick down, but we're just gonna do place, just to keep it simple. So we were here, now we wanna do tap. 5, 6, 7, 8, and inwards. From here, toes pointing out to in, out to in. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. So we just did whoop. From here, we want to go up on our heels. Yeah, flicking our toes up like this. Whoop. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and whoa. 5, 6, 7, 8, and up, down. Alright, so from here, inwards like this, and then up like that. 5, 6, 7, 8, and down, up, down. 5, 6, 7, 8, and down, up, down. 5, 6, 7, 8, and down, up, down. Okay, so we just did whap, up, down. From here, we're gonna do the heel toe or the happy feet, whatever you know it by. If you don't know the move, then let's just run through it quickly. I think the best thing would be to start practicing how to switch the weight. Yeah, so you need to be, let's say, right on our toes, and then left on our heel. And then we're gonna do the opposite, opposite. And I'm just gonna show you from the side. So, right on our toe, left on our heels, and we're just gonna do switch, 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 switch. Yeah? Just start practicing that for a while. Once you got that down, then you can start moving to the side, back, to the other side, back, other side, back. Now for this particular dance, we need to be left on our heel, right on our toes, and then to the left to begin with. Down, right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Here, back, there. 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap, tap, tap. So the move is just like we did in the beginning. So I'm gonna say whoop. So right is saying whoop, heel, 7, 8, whoop, heel. Left is saying up, down, 7, 8, up, turn, 7, 8, up, turn. So here, 7, 8, whoop, down. Okay, the arms. So from the beginning we did whoop, 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 whoop. From here, my right is gonna go down here, and as soon as I'm here, both hands are gonna swing around like this. Yeah, whoop, and then they're gonna pass each other here. Whoop. And one more time. Up, round, out. So again, from here, right is gonna go down until this point, and they're both gonna turn around. Pass, one more time, and then I'm gonna go shoulder, left shoulder, cross, swing my right arm out. So one last time, I was here, right is gonna go whoop, both arms, pass, one more round, left shoulder, right, swing out. So from here, my right is just gonna drop down, swing, and then I'm gonna keep it somewhere in here. Okay, so let's try with the legs. From here, round, out, left shoulder, right. So as soon as these two pass each other, I'm gonna go up, down, and then up with my shoulder here to the left, down, right arm. From here, it's just gonna drop down. Yeah? So let's try again from here, drop down. 7, 8, drop down. So again from here, 5, 6, 7, 8. Round, pass, up, and outside, and swing. Again from here, 5, 6, 7, 8. Round, left, right, and faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoom, and a whoom, and a whoom. Ta-da. 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoom, whoom. Left, then right, and up. Okay, so let's take it from the tip to the top. So a quick recap, starting at N1 here, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. So again, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. So I just did whoop, whoop, down. From here, I want to be on my toes, twisting my heels out like that. Yeah. I'm gonna prepare for my next move, which is jump down. Yeah. So my right, I'm jumping on my right, boom, taking my left behind my right, like that. Yeah, toes are pointing in opposite directions because I want to prepare for my wiggle walk, which is the next thing. So from here, actually in the dance, they do more like a jump to the side. Yeah. So jump, switch, so that you do it on the spot, but it's actually easier if you just go back and do the wiggle walk instead, like that. It's up to you. So the difference is jump here, jump here, and the wiggle walk is just back, back. Personally, I think the wiggle walk is easier. Okay, so the count is 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Now we're just gonna do one last to the front, yeah? So I just did and back. The last one is to the front. I'm not going all the way up here, but just here. So I was here, I'm gonna go down, up, down, and twist, and back. So the counts are 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 5. Faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So arms are gonna go. I was here. Arms are gonna go prep. And 1. Yeah. Left is up here. Right is down here. Bend. Then I'm gonna go and top. And drop, around here. So I'm going down here on my left side, coming up on my right, stopping back here on my left side. So up, and around, stop. So we're down on 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Now with the legs, I'm gonna go 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Okay guys, we're almost there. Hang in there. So we just did and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. From here, I'm gonna go prep. My right arm is gonna say drop. My right leg is gonna go up like this. So 7, 8. Here, prep. Now I'm gonna kick up here. My right leg, stretch all the way up here. And then my arms are gonna go whoom. So they're gonna go opposite. Right leg is gonna go from left to right. the arms are gonna go from right to left. So whoom. Left is on my toe, so whoom. So I just did 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From here, I want to switch. Yeah, so my right is saying kick behind my left, and then I'm gonna switch. So left is gonna go back. From here, 7, 8, and back. Arms are just gonna go whoom. Here, they're gonna go whoom. Also, he does this knot. So let's say kick, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, down, up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, down, up. Okay, guys, so let's take it from the tip to the top. Quick recap from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow.
5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright guys, that's it for this dance tutorial of how to do the electro swing from the game Fortnite. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.